Hello everyone, welcome back to Timir. On my way, I am with you, Timir. Now, I am Kamju Township in Yangon city, but this location called in here Haledan because in here have a Haledan shopping mall. Now I am walking on local way, and you can hear some bird is singing. The Yangon city on the mountain, so in here have lots of tree and have lots of bird also, and the weather also too much good the natural environment, but weather is very hot in this area. Maximum times is very hot, and you will know in here every people carry umbrella for protect by sunlight, and not only by sunlight, sometimes rain. What time can start rain? Anyone don't know. So if you visit to Yangon, so you should carry an umbrella for protect yourself by rain and sunlight. This is a restaurant. This way you will get more of restaurants because in here have a large shopping mall. So and not only this shopping mall, have some of another mall also.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Chocolate ice cream and another fast food. Beside have the price list. You can buy as your wish if you choice.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way.
You will know in Yangon city more people or work more times because the way is one way. This is also a restaurant, Thai restaurant. This is Thai restaurant. You can buy Thai food. Non-Myanmar people is very kindful to tourists and they respect to tourists. So if you come in Yangon, you also respect to Myanmar peoples. But inside the Myanmar peoples have some of problems. All the place is more only girl, but where gone the boy I don't know. Before this, in my comment, so one my Thai friends she have asked me that Thai people's maximum, Myanmar people's maximums gone to Thailand for them job. I don't know, but in the city I cannot see outside more boys. I can see more girl only. I don't know why like that. Maybe in this country, a born child, so there is maximum time girl only. But I don't know. This is I am not sure. Next time I will try to take the information. Now I have arrived on the highway. Beside have the Aladdin shopping mall. Next video I will show you this the Aladdin shopping mall.
Into this place, you wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be.
From Bottom Pagoda, you can come in here only 300 Myanmar chak. But if you come by car, so you need to pay 500 Myanmar chak.
Into this place, you wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be.
So everyone, hope you are enjoying my video and you will like my video. And if you have any opinion, please leave a comment and I will try to reply you soon. I hope my friends you have already subscribed my channel. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe and see you again. Bye bye.